You always give an example of the river and the ocean. You say that there is a lot of noise, but once it goes into the ocean, the noises go away. And what can we do to make the noises go away?
Enter into the ocean.
How do we enter into the ocean?
You have to let go. You have to submit. You have to stop being the little river. You have to stop being the little river. You have to copy the Shaykh. It's not that at all. You will come into your own reality, and you may even be very different from that one, but you understand you are coming from him. So you're part of him. You can be different, not like him, but you're a part of him. And that makes the essence to be the same. Understand? Inshallah. You have to break the idol of yourself.